Hello party people, what's up? Happy Monday, y'all. I just finished work. Sorry I didn't vlog today. Just wasn't really feeling it. So I was just having a slow morning and it was the first morning I got to have with my man. I just had a shower, so I want to read my book. I have a new book. I'll show you what in a sec. She's Stunning, Racial Vibration. I actually have his tarot cards, so I'm gonna read that. But I'll talk to you tomorrow, because I have tomorrow off. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, theys, thems, hey. Happy Wednesday, my dudes. It's actually the 1st of February, and this is the first time I've spoken to you all week because, look, I don't think I've posted the weekly vlog, or did I? For last week? No, I did. It's a video. I'm going to Kmart, so that should be exciting. Just have a little squizzy dizzy. But happy Thursday. Hope you're all having a fabulous Thursday. Hello. Good. Oh my god. I almost dropped the little pad. Good morning. Hello. Happy Friday. I'm so excited. And it's my uncle's birthday, so shout out to him. I know he watches the vlogs. Today is Friday. I want to clean my house. I want to fresh. Today's Friday, but it's also like kind of Sunday-ish for me because I'm working the whole weekend and then I'm working Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I'm gonna clean my house, a full deep clean. Okay, so I actually did buy this journal the other day from Kmart. How bloody cute. Are you serious? So I'm gonna start to journal again because I kind of stopped. I need to get back into it. I got some cheeky packages, so let's just do an unboxing. From Bondi Boost, they're actually doing 20% off huge sale for their tools and their hair care and stuff. I got some little goodies that I thought I would share. It's also part of the 20% off party. Mini ones, stop. It's actually a hair protecting spray. This is what I always use when my hair. So cute little goodies, 20% off, go, go, go. Then I've worked with this brand before actually. bopowomen, and everything smells luxurious. How cute is this packaging? I am obsessed with these stickers. There's so many goodies in there. I might do a separate, but I want to make some like reels and stuff, so I'm gonna wait.
All of my heroes set up straight. They stare at the ground, they radiate. Me, I'm on the.
But it is the morning, it is 9 AM. And I need to make my drinks, so that's what we're gonna do. But obviously, do we like the pearls? Like, am I a pearl girl? Tell me in the comments, am I a pearl bitch? Because I want to know, are they cute or not? I'll talk to you guys later. I'm going to clean my house, make some coffee, do the JS, do the Neutralife. Yum! Hello, my chickens. Oh, hello. Ew, what the fuck? It's Saturday. I just woke this morning, so we love that. But I'm going to shower because going in with the Beco Hemp Brightening Clay Mask, bopowomen. This is her. She is done. But I thought I would turn the camera on and like chat whilst I put this on my face. But yeah, let's